a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I love showing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and all things homemaking and decorating videos. And in today's video, I'm sharing a motivating clean with me. So if you're in the mood to get some stuff done, get up, prop your phone up somewhere, and let's go ahead and clean together, and I can keep you company. Or you can watch the video and then after, go ahead and clean. But today, we're kind of had a busy day. And I had been like sick the last couple of days, so I've been trying to just feel better and kind of just have left the house be. So Trajan, my husband, had been riding snow machines all day. I had been at a cheer competition with Waverly and had gotten home like in the evening time. So when I got home, I was like, this house needs under control. So the first thing that I did was start a little laundry, and then I wanted to just tidy up Waverly's room. I needed to kind of reorganize her toys a little bit, put things where they belong. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So if you need to just tidy up your kids' toys really quick, go ahead and do that. And you will feel so much better even just after doing that much.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it.
We have Waverly's room done. I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the befores of the kitchen. It really was just a mess between being sick, being like out of the house all day. Our house was just a mess. We had tons of dishes. The floors needed vacuumed. I needed to unload the dishwasher, load the dishwasher, just so many things. So Waverly was pretty tired after the cheer competition. I feel like just a day of being out of your house just really can wear you out, even if like you're just sitting like at a cheer competition. So she was like relaxing for a little bit, and then she just wanted to have some dance music on. So I would just kind of switch it, just searching like kids dance music, and there's like so many different options. She likes some of like the cartoony ones that kind of show you how to dance, and then she also likes the real people dancing too. So we just kind of switched the songs, and then I personally had music on that because I was tired too, but I was like, I know that I'm gonna go crazy if I don't do this. So if you're like lacking motivation, turn on your favorite songs and just turn them on, and you'd be surprised just how much that motivates you and kind of like distracts you from the cleaning, because you can be singing along, dancing. So there was a couple times you'll see me dancing throughout. and it just makes it more fun. You have to make cleaning kind of fun and enjoyable, and I know for like kids it can kind of be hard, but I usually just will, like with Waverly, I'll say, okay, can you pick up all of your blue blocks? And then I'll like ask her to pick up her purple ones. And it's just kind of fun to have her pick it up section by section. And it motivates her to just do a small task at a time, because it can be pretty overwhelming even for like kids. And I know for adults it can be. So if you have to break it down that far to just say, okay, I'm going to pick up all of my clothes, or I'm going to pick up like just the counters. That's usually what I do. I usually focus on a counter, put it on one area, then I focus on the other like sections. It's just easier for me. I feel like you just have to find your own way to clean, and that helps you the most.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself.
I just want to apologize that if there is any chirping sound in the background, I honestly can't tell. I'm at my parents' house and I'm doing the voiceover like upstairs away from everyone, so it's a little bit quieter, but they have in the room next to me an alarm that needs the batteries replaced, but they don't have any of the batteries that I need, so it's just currently chirping at the moment, so hopefully you can't hear it. I can't tell when I replay the voiceover if it's the actual like fire alarm or if it's the like voiceover section, so sorry if you hear that. It's just what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead now, and I just wanted to stick all the dishes that go in the dishwasher on the right side and hand wash all the dishes. You're gonna see some Legos in a bucket. I've said many times that we are potty training, and there was a little accident the other day, and it's totally fine, but we just had to disinfect those, and I needed to rinse them out from disinfecting them because I didn't have any Clorox wipes, so I'm going ahead now and rinsing those after getting them all disinfected and getting those all drying, and we really wanted to play with them right this instant, and I was like, sorry, you have to wait for them to dry, and she had a whole bunch that were totally fine that she ended up going and playing with while those were drying. But then she wanted some candy hearts, so I gave her a few of those and then hid them in the cupboard so she didn't forgot about them, because if she keeps seeing them, she will just ask and ask and ask, so it's easier just to put it away. But I'm gonna go ahead and unload this dishwasher now, so if you have some dishes, get up and tackle them with me.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh
get some safety, like, child locks. I would not recommend the safety first ones. We struggled, like, all the time, but our door gets, like, really hard to open when it's cold, and it was really cold this day, so it was so hard to open it. I would, if you can, definitely get the kind that you, like, push the tabs to open up the door. We had just gotten these. I didn't even see the ones that had the tabs when we went to buy them, but I guess if you have a toddler that can figure out how to do the tabs, you might have to get those kind. But definitely, if you're having a child lock your area, don't get those ones. Get the ones that have the tabs, because there's a lot of times it takes me forever to open up the door, because you have to, like, put your fingers in perfectly to open up the door. But I just wanted to vacuum the floors. I wasn't wanting to do anything too major on this day, just because it was already getting late. Trajan was actually on his way home as I was cleaning, so we were going to be needing to get dinner done, so I just wanted to do a light tidy so our house wasn't too messy for all of that. And then after I show you the afters of how the kitchen turned out and finish vacuuming, I'm going to go into the bathroom. I just wanted to give it a quick tidy, so I just cleaned, like, the vanity, the mirror, the toilet, and then vacuumed and called it good.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
Finishing vacuuming the floors in the bathroom, and then we're going to move on into the living room. I needed to shut the curtains, and we had probably 2 or 3 loads of laundry on the couch that I needed to take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and fold all of that up and then put it all away. And I didn't even touch the laundry that I had put in the washer to the dryer. I was like, it's fine, it's just staying like that. I don't really care. I feel like I'm the type of person, I will leave it and then just kind of like what's the word? Basically, I'll just like let it dry for a few minutes to get all the wrinkles out, and then I will fold it the next day. That's just how I am.
I find it hard to reach you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, 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 yeah. Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, ooh, la, la, la.
Okay, now that I have all the laundry put away, I'm going to go ahead and just finish straightening up the living room and put away everything else in the living room that needs to be put away, vacuum, and then that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that this video was able to motivate you to clean either with me or now you can get up and clean something. I will have 2 videos linked at the end of the video that you can click on, that you can clean along with me in the next one. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like these, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you.